That's better than barking dogs and jackhammers. So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a faucet for the homeowner here, and this one is straight out of Home Depot, Lowe's, can't remember, but it's a Moen, the Hensley, and the spot-resistant stainless. So very nice faucet, standard installation. What we did back here is just took apart the hot and cold supplies that are integrated with the faucet and replaced them. None of the work down here besides that is ours. So that's the only thing we've done here. Those are the 2 points of connection. Just monitor those for a period of time. Make sure there's no weeping, dripping at all whatsoever. Any hint of that, give us a holler. We'll come back out, take care of it right away. This is your documentation right here. You need to get a hold of Moen for support. That's their phone number, that's the model number, and they are #1 in customer service. We did have to leave a hole open because we opted out of the base plate that came with it to utilize one of the holes for the soap dispenser. The homeowner is going to buy a sinkhole cover, probably out of Amazon, 2-inch stainless steel cover, and cover that up temporarily. They're also looking into perhaps putting an under sink water filter, which will fill that hole nicely. So that is the faucet. We tested it out hot and cold. Everything's working good. Outside of that, this installation is done.